Now, in Venice of India, there is also a Kurg. Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka. It means Kurg is related to the state Karnataka, and Kurg is the smallest city of Karnataka. This Kurg is very familiar. It is very famous for the production of the coffee and the spices. Really, coffees and spices are grown here on a large scale. The atmosphere is also favorable for to grow the main crops of coffee and spices. And this part receives rainfall. So this part has also evergreen forest, rainforest. Now, where is this part located in Karnataka? Midway between Mysore and the coastal area of the Mangalore, there is a piece of land midway between Mysore and the coastal area of Mangalore. There is a place where Kurg is settled. It is. It means Kurg is the place of production of the coffees. And as you know, the total population, 30% population of the Karnataka, 30% population of the Karnataka district, it covers a evergreen forest. It means 30% parts of the Karnataka is covered by the evergreen forest. And the evergreen forest, why? Because it receives rainfall, a good rainfall. Really, the Kurg is also considered as the part of the crop. It has been considered that these parts have been taken from the heaven from the heaven. It means this place is recognized as the holy place as the heaven. Why so? Because the production, it gives a good production. The peoples of that very areas very noble. Their tradition, where the traditions are different, but they have the nature of hospitality. And this part also receives heavy rainfall. It means in the monsoon, during the monsoon, it receives heavy rainfall. So visitors and the tourists do not like to go during monsoon. But when the monsoon becomes favorable in the month of September to March, everyone likes to visit the heaven of the earth. Kurg is also considered as the heaven of the earth. When the visitors now in the month of September to March, the climate, the air is filled with the smell of the coffee, with the fragrance of the coffee, and it is very useful for the place because it is situated in the rolling hills. This place has no pollution because it is situated in the between the rolling hills, so it is considered as the heaven of the God because it is free from impurities and pollution. Really? It is considered that the goods are the descent of the Greece as well as the Arabs. It is said that a troop of Alexander army moved across the coastal line towards south and did not come back because the condition was not favorable for them. And so they settled there. They mixed with the people of that very areas. They married with them. But whereas it can be seen in the martial tradition, marriage and religious rites. But their religious rites are quite different than the mainstream of the Hindus. Other theories that from the Arabs, the inhabitants of the Kurki used to wear a long coat of black color with an embroidered vest that worn by Cordovus. Cordovus also is the name of Cordovus of the god. And it resembles to the kufia worn by. This dress is very resembled to the kufia that was worn by the Arabians. So it is also said that they are the descent, it means the Kurds are the descent of the Arabs too. Now there are two methodologies, there are two theories against the Kurd. One, they are the descent of the Greece. Another, they are the descent of the Arabs. Because the tradition shows, it is said, like one part, Alexander's armies mixed with the traditional culture of that very part, and he settled there. And to see the dress, it is also considered that such type of dress, Kushi dress, was worn by the Arabs. So it is said that they are also the descent of Arabs. Kurgi have special qualities of hospitality to welcome their guests. They have the special quality to welcome their guests. And the more willing that they like to elaborate. They like to elaborate the tales of the past times. They like to elaborate of the story of the past time to his sons and fathers. As you know, the Kurds regiment is one of the most decorated regiment in the Indian Army. Kurds regiment is the most decorated regiment in the Indian Army, and the first chief of Indian Army, the first chief of Indian Army, also belonged to this race, and his name was General Kayappa. General Kayappa was also a Gordi. As we know that Kurdi in the army, there is importance of the Kurdi regiment. And Air Chief of Indian Army was General Karyappa, that also belonged to this race. Even now, Kodavas, Kodavas is the place, even now in India, Kodavas is a place where there is no importance of license for keeping arms with them. It means license is not essential for keeping arms only in Kodavas. इसी कोर्स में ही बिना लाइसेंस का आर्म्स, फायर आर्म्स आप रख सकते हैं, लाइसेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सरकार ने ऐसा परमिशन दिया है. सो इट इज सेड, दिस इज द ओनली पार्ट Kodavas in India where there is no need of license for keeping arms. River. Now the important river of this area is Kaveri. Really, Kaveri obtains its rivers from hills and forest of the Kurch. It means Kaveri river receives water from the forest of the Kurch and the hills. Now, this water fish that is called Mahasir is found in. Kingfisher's birds also dive to catch its prey. And while squirrel and langur are also found here. Especially squirrels and langurs drop half-eaten part of the edible items. Throw edible items, half parts of the edible items into the water of the river to make themselves amusing. Langur and squirrels, these two animals, like to eat half part of the fruits and drop the remaining part of the fruits into the water in amusement. Really, they amused to see the wave of the water going up and down. In the river, elephants are also found. Elephants also like to bathe in that very river. And Mahavar and his Mahavar and rubbing of its skin, they like to. It means the river Kaveri is very important for them, because they get different types of fishes. Kingfisher birds are also found there. Langur, squirrels, elephants are found in that very areas that are also increase the beauty of that part. The persons who lives in relax, laid back, they too like rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountain biking, and they also like to move their bikes on the mountain range. And there are the mountain ranges on which he can see numerous views, walking trails in this region. It means people also like to use bullock carts. Besides this, there are also other meat, birds, butterfly are there. Birds, bees, butterfly are also found there to give you a company. Macaque, a type of monkeys. Malabar squirrel, langurs, loris give a watchful eyes from the tree canopy. And the animals do like to be there because it is the safe place for them. When you climb to the Brahmagiri mountain, when it means the scene of the Kurg can be seen from the top of the Brahmagiri mountain. From Brahmagiri hills, we can watch, we can see the Kurg clearly. Here, he walk across the rope bridge. Leads to the 64 acres Iceland. Of Nisar Dham in a bonus. Running into the Buddhist monks from India, largest Tibetan, also settled there. And they settled near the Balapur. The monk wears red dress, yellow robes, yellow dresses, red arch and yellow dresses. And anyone can distinguish the Tibetans to look at their dresses, and that can be distinguished easily by anyone. Really, they also like to see the visitors from India to see the important place of that area. They are waiting, and their hearts are waiting for to welcome them in that very part of Kurg. It means Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka. Now there are two ways of going there. One midway between Bangalore to the sea coast of the Bangalore and Mangalore. This part is also called the heaven of the earth because someone believed that it had been drifted. It has been drifted from the part of the God. In the sense of God, it means this place is free from pollution. Everywhere there is a green, luscious, polluted free areas, and it receives a good rain. And their main crops is coffee as well as their spices. It means complete environment is filled with the fragrance of the coffee and the spices when it becomes ready for it. They are considered it means good to have considered that they are the descent of the Greeks as well as the Arabs. Because it is said that the Aurangzeb's armies moved towards the south, along the south coast, but did not come back. They settled there because it was not possible, it was impossible to come back for the army, so they settled there. And they settled there. They married with the local people of that very part, and they all the tradition of that very area, and the people, those who were living there, also received the same tradition from the Greeks. So there is a distinction between the main Hindu stream. Other part, that is Arabs, the dress of the Kurds shows that they are also descended, they are also considered as the descent of the Arabs because they wear a black coat. Their borders were embroidered as it was the resemblance of the kofia worn by the Arabs and Kurds. So it is also considered. This place is very valuable in all sense because it has also the Kaveri Nadi. Different type of birds, different type of animals are also found here because it is an evergreen forest it has. And you can imagine the total population of the 30% population of the Karnataka is covered by the green rainforest. And so it is possible to develop to grow coffee and the spices. So they are as well, by heart they are very known. They have sense of ability to hospitality to please the other parts of